Welcome to Bloomfield Car Sales, located on the Greenhills Road in Dublin 12. Today we are giving you a walk around of our 2017 BMW 520 diesel. This black 2017 model, chrome detailing and 20-inch alloys to match the exterior aesthetic of the car, has 170,000 kilometers from new with a full BMW service history. Inside, the car is finished with an ivory leather interior on sport seats, which would have been a factory optional extra. It is automatic with paddle shift. You have your multiple driving modes here. It has an auto hold electronic handbrake. Your parking sensor is also there, and parking sensors can be seen on screen. You have your sat nav. You also have touchscreen multimedia as well, so it is all touchscreen interactive. And then we can also give you a look at the service history. Is a very comprehensive and full service history there. Over here you have your digital dash, and you'll see when you change your driving modes this also changes. Some very cool display up for grabs there. That is eco, comfort and sport. You also have your multifunction steering wheel where your cruise control would be controlled. Paddle shift you can obviously see here and here. Your light switches are down at the corner here. And then one very important feature to show, and a very nice factory optional extra is in here. That is the button for an electronic retractable tow bar. Very good and expensive factory extra. MCT in this car is until November of 2025, and there is also no tax. Every car we sell is sold with there's finance available. And you can get in contact with us on 085 200 8394, or you can get in touch with us through the classified ads, be it our website, be it Carzone, Dundee or Cars Ireland. Thank you very much.